Hi, in this lesson I will extract the lambdas here for checking extension properties. We will need this later, so we are going to create methods instead of lambdas. But first of all, I don't like the string compare and I prefer to have a function called string equal. So I start with creating a new utility header file and also a matching CPP file. I quickly add the needed includes in the CPP file and jump into the header. In the header, I add a pragma once and the namespace for our project. Inside the namespace, I add a function that is called str_eq and takes two strings returning a boolean. I also add a body for that function in the CPP file, where I just invoke std's string compare. And I return the result compared to a 0. I then go back to the graphics.cpp and replace the string comparison here with our new function. Now we no longer need to call equals 0 at the end. I will also add the utility header to the precompiled headers. Now we need to extract these lambdas into methods. So I go to the header file and add a new static function called ROExtensions_supported. It will take a span of extensions. I quickly create an empty body and go back up. We will be invoking the function here, where we take the suggested extensions and we will exit in case they are not supported. I will then cut this following code and I will paste it below. I also need to add the graphics prefix to make it a method. Here, instead of an if statement, we're actually returning the result of OAuth. And we need to replace suggested extensions with just the passed-in parameter of extensions. And the project still builds and runs, as you will see. In the next lesson, we're going to further extract the lambdas using functional bindings. See you there.